कॉलेज का मेरा पहला दिन. I was both nervous and excited. I wondered how my college experience would be. ढेर सारे सवाल थे on my mind. Will I feel comfortable here? Will I make friends? Or seniors? Oh God. I hope मेरी ragging ना हो. When I entered the beautiful sprawling campus, I felt an amazing buzz of activity around me. Conversations, discussions. The campus was alive with vibrant youthful energy. Seniors काफी friendly थे. I realized my fears and apprehensions were unfounded. While I made my way around, I noticed the college seemed very well equipped. As a new entrant, I began with an induction week, so I could get familiar with the new place. जो कुछ भी institution के बारे में सुना था, that was fascinating.
Sharda Group of Institutions is the oldest, largest and fastest growing educational group of Northern India. SGI has 4 sprawling campuses with 14 colleges spread over more than 167 acres of land. That includes Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Hindustan Institute of Management and Computer Studies, Anand Engineering College, Anand College of Pharmacy and BMAS Engineering College, spread over Agra, Mathura and Greater Noida. With over 100 programs, we have something for everyone.
I was amazed to see such a huge collection in the library. And I thought, wow, that's SGI. With such friendly batchmates, I felt much settled. और इस तरह SGI में मेरे पहले दिन की शुरुआत हुई.
SGI has state-of-the-art classrooms, specially designed and equipped with latest audio-visual aids and wireless internet connectivity. Our educators are experts in their chosen fields who believe in giving personal attention to each student. Informal learning is promoted through hobby clubs, professional associations and Tech Fest exhibitions.
We are transforming from memory-based teaching to the application-based teaching. And I understand that students understand from the classroom teaching only 30%. So we are emphasizing a lot on informal teaching.
I wondered if my professors would be approachable. Thankfully, they were very inspiring and encouraged me to give my best shot at everything I did.
Faculties, they are full of knowledge. They are very friendly to you. Yeah, anything you can approach them 24 hours. They live in the hostel. Whenever you have a doubt, just go to them. They'll explain you everything.
SGI has a proven track record of academic excellence.
Well, thanks to my teachers' constant encouragement, I was able to discover my potential.
At SGI, you have access to world-class facilities. We have well-equipped libraries and laboratories, spacious seminar rooms, media centers and auditoriums to conduct seminars, guest lectures and other events.
As a management, we are trying our best efforts to provide the quality of infrastructure, quality of teaching learning processes.
The new teaching and learning process at SGI encourages you to go beyond bookish theory, experiment with the latest equipment and gain hands-on application of the subject matter. With 250 plus laboratories at SGI, you have extensive research opportunities. So you not only learn it, but also apply it.
We are more focused to the industrial research. Product development है, consultancy है, तो उस पे भी इसमें काम किया है. We have, got more than 1 crore rupees grant at the various agencies.
I made some of my best friends here. और जल्द ही, this place felt like home.
Play hard, work harder. That's our motto. We believe that a sound mind and healthy body go hand in hand. At SGI, you will find facilities for several outdoor and indoor games.
मैं काफी excited था with the opportunities I had here. Basketball, volleyball, football, hockey, badminton, taekwondo, you name it.
The best thing about SGI is day and night knockout cricket tournament, which is played every year.
Our very own version, the SGI T20. And that, my friends, is a basket. I learned the importance of sportsmanship, healthy competition, and teamwork.
Here, education extends beyond the classroom. You have countless opportunities to explore yourself and discover new talents.
I started playing the guitar and all. I got to show my talent that was within me.
Activities such as movies, art exhibits, and other special events are held periodically.
Hindustan College of Science and Technology has a cultural festival called Gyan Jyoti. The whole Sharda group of institutions has been so supporting that they organize these fests and they provide you with each and everything you want.
Events are organized throughout the year to develop all aspects of your personality.
जितने भी हमारे कॉलेज फेस्टिवल होते हैं वो सब टेक्निकल और कल्चरल का मिक्सचर होते हैं। तो जो हमारा रहता है वो सुबह से रात तक हमारा टेक्निकल सेशन चलते हैं सारे के सारे, लाइक पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन, इंटरव्यूज़, GDs, PIs एंड क्विज राउंड्स। देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी इन नाइट वी हैव ऑल द कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक रॉक बैंड शो, लाइक DJ नाइट एंड all these stuff, dance, singing. So we enjoyed in both ways, in a technical way and also in a cultural way.
Last to last year, we had Mr. Abdul Kalam in our college as chief guest, which was a big name. Our students went to IITs and there they got first prize when they were just in second and third year.
I began to notice how much I was changing and growing intellectually by the books I read, my conversations, yahan tak ki the movies I liked. By the end of this roller coaster ride, I was well equipped to face the challenges of the world.
When we enter college, the first thing is that will we get a placement? But yes, when you join SGI, you'll definitely get a placement.
Our campus placement process provides you with the best opportunities to advance your career. We have excellent soft skills and PDP programs in alliance with reputed corporate training teams to enhance your placement prospects.
In the past years, we have got 100% placements, and even in the recession period, we have got placements of around 80%.
SGI alumni are placed in some of the top-ranked companies. 232 plus companies recruited 1250 plus SGI students from the batch of 2009, highest for any institution of UPTU.
I am placed in TCS. Many other companies are coming to campus for campus recruitment and they are recruiting students of SGI.
The placement is very good. I mean, I'm placed in Infosys right now. The package is 3.2 and that is the biggest dream of a student.
Today, we have not only the placement across the country, but we have a global placement in our campus.
Being a part of this institution was a great step of my life.
SGI has given me the platform to gain experience. I mean, it is the biggest thing which you can get in any college.
SGI provides us very good studies at lower cost as compared to other colleges which provide the same facilities at 10 times the fees that is in SGI.
It's very difficult to measure knowledge in terms of money, but still in terms of facilities and exposure that I'm getting here, I'm very much happy with the amount that I've paid.
When I joined SGI, I was just a kid, loitering around doing nothing. When I had entered SGI, I got a motive of my life.
I've developed as a human being over here.
And I personally learned a lot. मैं अपने आप को इतना कॉन्फिडेंस समझता हूँ कि अब मेरे में एक प्रोफेशनल करियर के लिए शुरुआत करने के लिए मुझे वो नेसेसरी चीज़ें मेरे अंदर इक्विप कर दी गई हैं SGI के द्वारा, जिससे कि मैं आगे बढ़ सकूँ अपनी लाइफ में, अपने करियर को एक नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुँचा सकूँ.
I have transformed from a student into a confident professional, ready to take on any challenge that comes my way. I have found my Lakshya. Thank you, SGI. You've changed my life and I feel it.
SGI, it's time to change your life.